while since I've had a giveaway. So I decided to give away one of my very favorite things right now. My very favorite thing changes on a daily basis, but right this second, it's these gorgeous triangle earrings. I'm gonna throw a picture up right now of the triangle earrings. They are so cool to make and so much fun. They use several colors of delicas and the wonderful triangle frames, bead frame for also. And I have put some kits together for different colorways for these earrings, and I'm going to give away 3 kits to lucky winners. What you need to do to enter is first you need to be a subscriber to this channel. So if you aren't already, why not? Hit the subscribe button. And then you also need to leave a comment below. Let's see. I want to know what your favorite color is. So leave a comment below with your favorite color, and the contest for when it runs and when the winner will be announced, stay tuned. We'll show you that here in a second. I think you will enjoy wearing these fabulous triangle earrings as much as I'm going to. I know I'm going to have like at least 10 pair.